Airlines, and especially this flight crew, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Denver. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. All seat backhand tray tables in their full upright lock position, and all carry-on luggage stowed into the aircraft arrives at the gate, and the captain does turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. We are to exercise caution when opening up the overhead bins, as the items you place there do tend to show their flight. If you are transferring flights here in Denver, please take a look at the TV monitor located in the gate area for flight and gate information. If Denver is your final destination, we'd like to thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines today. I know you do have a choice when flying, and we thank you for choosing us. Y'all go out there, have a great day, drive home carefully, and be careful out there. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we do want to apologize for the delay. We hope next time you do fly with us, we can make that up for you. Thank you.